tere, minu nimi on Roosi ja täna ma teen küpsisetorti. Siin on mul piim, mille ma pean kaussi valama, et piimutada küpsiseid. Ja siis mul on veel kohupiim ja siis mul on veel küpsised ja hapumoos. Ma valan piimakaussi. Kõigepealt ma imutan küpsiseid ja siis laon esimese kihi.
Question the law of gravity, put the apple back up to the apple tree.
Nüüd ma panen kohupiima.
And today I've got a cake to bake.
Ma lõrun nüüd labidaga laiali.
I've got a cake to bake and haven't done that before.
Me teeme nüüd teise kihi.
Mate, please don't bother. No, come on and ask your mother how to bake that cake.
Nüüd ma panen hapukat moosi. Nii, nüüd mul on hapukas moos pandud. Nüüd ma panen järgmise küpsised.
We've got a cake to make and haven't done that before. Don't be proud, mate, please don't bother. Go, come on.
Nüüd ma panen teist kohupiima.
Make that cake. Mix some dough, add some love, let it bake, wait for it. Mix some dough,
Nüüd ma riivin šokolaadi.
wait for it. Mix some dough, add some love,
Nüüd ma kaunistan maasikatega.
let it bake. We've got a cake to bake, ain't got no clue at all. We've got a cake to make.
Ja lõppu väike roheline täpike.
Don't be proud, mate, please don't bother.
Ja ongi valmis.
And ask your mother how to bake that